Good morning, students. Welcome to English language class. In the previous class, I had explained you pronouns. Today we will do exercise of this chapter. So please take out your book and open page number 40. Chapter 5 Pronouns. Words that are used in place of nouns are known as pronouns. We use them to make sentence less repetitive. Some common pronouns are I, me, we, us, you, they, them, she, her, he, him and it. Now we'll do exercise. Exercise A. Circle the correct pronoun that would complete the sentence. Joe has left his sweater here. I will give it to tomorrow in school. It, him, he. I will give it to him. Him is the correct answer. We'll circle it. Sheetal got a new bicycle on her birthday. It has a shiny bell and a basket. It. Jagat and his friends are watching the match on televisions. They are making a lot of noise. They is the correct answer. We'll circle it. Nilesh and I will go to the mall. We want to buy some books. We could not get onto the bus. It was too crowded. My brother went for a trek in the hills. He enjoys outdoor adventures. We are going for a walk. Why don't you come with us? Us is the correct answer. We'll circle it. Please give Aranya and Farah some money. They need to buy some stationery. My mother and I go to the park on Sundays. We usually take a picnic lunch with us. We and us. This is Daddy's watch. Grandpa gave it to him. Exercise B. Replace the underlined words with pronouns and rewrite the paragraph. One day Riti woke up early in the morning. Riti is the underlined word. The suitable pronoun is she. She looked out of the window and saw two tiny sparrows. The sparrows were building a nest. The sparrows will use they pronoun. They felt that the windowsill was a safe place for their nest. Riti watched the sparrows instead of the sparrows them every day. She was very happy to see them build a nest on her windowsill. Soon it was ready. Though the nest looked rather untidy, the sparrow seemed comfortable in the nest. In the nest will use it. Then we will rewrite the sentence as it is written here. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used to replace a noun and to show possession or ownership. Some common possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. Is this notebook yours or is it mine? Exercise C. Take the correct possessive pronouns in the brackets. This bag belongs to me. It is mine, hers. Mine is the correct possessive pronoun. We'll take it. I forget my book. Arun lent me his. His is the correct answer. Your house is closer to the park than yours. Mine. Mine is the correct answer. This toy is shared by my sister and me. It's yours, ours. Ours is the correct answer. This coat belonged to my mother. When she was a child, it was hers, but now it is mine. Your shoes are covered in mud. The muddy footprints in the kitchen must be mine. Yours is the correct answer. You won these books in the contest. These books are yours. Kia said that she was sorry. She said that the mistake was hers. Genders. All nouns and pronouns can be categorized by genders. There are 4 genders in English. Nouns and pronouns that refer to males are in the masculine genders. Example, man, uncle, grandfather, lion, he, him, his. Nouns and pronouns that refer to females are in the feminine gender. Examples, woman, aunt, grandmother, lioness, she, her, hers. Nouns and pronouns that refer to both males and females are in the common gender. Example, students, Friend, they, them, you, yours, ours, mine, be, us, I. Nouns and pronouns that refer to living or non-living things which are neither male nor female belongs to the neutral genders. Example: soap, chair, tree, umbrella, it. Exercise D. Circle the nouns and pronouns in each line. Write them under the correct heading. Aranya said she will meet us at the restaurants. So Aranya is the noun, will circle it. She is the pronoun, will circle it. Us is the pronoun, will circle it. Restaurant is the noun, will circle it. My mother's niece is my cousin. Mother's niece and cousins are the nouns, will circle it. He played with a duck, a kid, and a goose on the farm. He is the pronoun, will circle it. Duck, kid, goose, farm are the nouns, will circle it. Polly said that she will sleep early tonight. Polly is the noun, will circle it. She is the pronoun, will circle it. Be quiet, the bull is sleeping, let's not disturb him. Bull is the noun, will circle it. Him is the pronoun, will circle it. If this pen is yours, where is mine? Pen is noun, will circle it. Yours and mine are the pronoun, will circle it. That lady is writer, she is famous. Lady is the noun, will circle it. Writer is the noun, will circle it. She is the pronoun, will circle it. Now we will put in the respective columns. Aranya and she are the feminine. Us is the common. Restaurant is the neutral. Mother's niece are the feminine. Cousin is the common. He is the masculine. Duck, goose is the feminine. Kid is the common. Neutral is the form. Polly and she are the feminine. Bull, him are the masculine. Yours, mine are the common. Pen is the neutral. Lady and she are the feminine gender. Writer is the common. Exercise E. Fill in the blanks with nouns or pronouns of the opposite gender. Choose from the box. Boy, opposite is gender is girl. She, opposite is he. God, opposite is goddess. Tiger, opposite is tigress. Brother, opposite is sister. Grandfather is opposite is grandmother. Husband, opposite is wife. Bride, opposite is groom. His opposite is hers. Mother's opposite is father. Dear students, today we are done exercise of this chapter. So please revise the exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.